Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, identify the instrument. What is this? This is a cannula. So what is this? This is an orange cannula which is 14. Then we have white cannula grey cannula which is 16. Then we have green which is 18. Then we have pink which is 21. Then we have blue 20, pink which is 20, and blue which is 22, yellow which is 24, and finally we have violet which is 26. So all these are important. So this is about the IV cannula. This is IV cannula. Thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.